Welcome to Hommie, your premier choice for custom sunrooms. We bring factory direct prices to your doorstep, offering unparalleled value. Explore our modern sunroom styles, featuring sleek designs and cutting-edge materials. Perfect for those who appreciate a minimalist yet elegant space. For a touch of timeless charm, our classic sunroom styles blend tradition with modern comfort, creating a perfect retreat in any home. With Hommie, your custom sunroom is delivered directly from our factory to your home. Simply hire local workers for installation and enjoy substantial savings. Choose Hommie for superior quality at competitive prices. Hommie Factory Direct, Custom Sunrooms. Affordable luxury at your doorstep. Visit us online to start your project today.